We've done a lot in the last number of years to really make Prodieco a great place to work. We've improved our benefits, we've introduced performance-related pay, flexible working, and we have fabulous new offices. We're easy to get to too. We're close to Lewis, to local transport links, and we have free parking on site. We took on 78 new people last year from a really diverse set of backgrounds.
So having people from different backgrounds collect all that knowledge together kind of improves our ability to help our customers solve their problems.
You don't have to come in necessarily with a degree or a huge amount of qualifications. If you have potential, if you have a desire to work hard and to progress, you can come in a junior position and we can support you to achieve your full potential.
From my experience here, I've definitely seen that there is progression in the company, that you can start from the very bottom as an apprentice and work your way up.
I've been working with Prodieco now just a little over 26 years, so I obviously like it. The opportunities are there to get sponsorship, to further your education and in turn further your career, so there's plenty of opportunity there.
I cherish the opportunity to travel. I travel extensively. For example, for the last 3 weeks I've been to Bangladesh, Hungary and Malta.
They gave me the chance to increase my career and increase my language, so I'm learning a lot here.
Prodieco offers the opportunity to have a flexi time, and this is very important for me that I'm a father of two.
Health coverage, we have pensions, we have bonuses as well.
I found here a very nice environment, very friendly and supportive.
Work as well is very good. It keeps you going. It's very interesting. It's dynamic. It kind of changes from week to week.
It's also a bit of crack as well, in fairness.
Great colleagues, great people. Every day is a challenge. Every day you walk away thinking we've done a lot.